Alright folks, well it's been a long time, but we are back. We had a brutal summer with almost no rain during monsoons, and it all came within the last 2 weeks, so it's finally cool again, and our season's back in action, so we're hitting the trails. But as you may have seen, we do have a bit of a surprise coming. A channel upgrade, if you will. And I don't want to say too much, don't want to blow it up. But it's going to be pretty neat. I can say that. Can I say that?
You can say that. We're excited for it.
Yes, we are excited for it. And we are actively working on it. I don't know about that. I'll say this. Alright, we'll say some upgrades are coming. ... dual color. So yeah, today we had some work, but we snuck out. It's what we do. It was supposed to be open today, but of course we get the email 6:03 a.m. We need you guys to come in and do some work. We need lots of work done. Can you guys work all day today, clear into the evening? We have an obligation to deal with. And so we do it all for you. Not that I'm gonna say that I'd rather be working. But yes, it is a hooky day. Yeah. This has got the cannabage. Ooh. Yeah, we haven't ridden since March. That's ridiculous. No, we've been doing copious amounts of prospecting. Yeah, we have been finding gold. Got a vial of it. We're pretty happy. Got a few pickers, a few little nuggets. And that's what we're going to be doing today. So today we're going to be taking you guys up to a really neat spot we've been meaning to go to. Hoping to launch the drone from here. It is known as the Mica Brothers mine. And the drone will bring about wind. Yep. Yep. We'll change that. Yep. So, yeah. Legend tells of 7 inches falling here in the last 2 weeks of monsoons, which is insane. Yeah, that's true. A true legend. So yeah, after we do the Mica Brothers and do the tour, maybe we'll do some quad barbecue, because we have a little bit of another shootout going on here, and that is a shootout of the smoked sausages. So today's quad barbecue, we have both Oscar Mayer smoked sausages and Huffy smoked sausages. Yeah. So we got both of them to run head to head, along with some sliced potatoes and vegetables as the side to keep it all healthy. No, you're doing fine. Just keep on keeping on. So yeah, that'll be our lunch, and then after lunch and drinks, we're gonna go head out to the claim and run the Gold Bug and the G2 and do the Gold Bug Pro. Yep. Wifey's got the Gold Bug Pro. I'm running the G2. We're gonna do some hardcore metal detecting. Just a good day to ride. Yep. Yeah, I'm kind of riding a little isometric to you. Keeping it interesting. Here, I'll do a little sight. Yeah. Because this is all new. I know. Yeah. And I think you meant to say wheel at hard turns. Yeah, just a little feather, it won't hurt anyone. I think you hit a puffer mushroom or something there. That was a huge dust cloud. It's popped out of nothing. I know. and the Ocotillos. I think we're going that way. Oh, a little sidewalk. Yeah, that's some piled up stuff, man. I wonder if that was raging during the storm. Oh, we got some doggies up here. Oh, there it is. Oh, and a baby one. All right, well, here we are. That's pretty normal. So here we are, the official Mica Brothers mine. And water. Yeah. Oh wow, look at that. That's so cool. Oh, and there goes the trench hawk wasp. Alright, let's see where parking is. So what was this, an old stamp mill? Wow, there's still a belt even. Look at that thing. I think that's the way in right there maybe, or maybe there's another entrance over here. Okay, this is the easy way in, which in itself is kind of rough looking. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to do that hill climb. Just kidding. What do you think right here? Or do you want to park them in the shade? All right, touring the mine, or I should say the mill. This is known as the Mica Brothers mine. Don't know the date on this, but it's old. This little drainage pipe right there. The bikes. Primarily we're working it for Mica, using a lot of older electronics. I'm sure it has various other applications.
Go ahead and take these sketchy stairs. Did you need a gear? Oh, you can't have it as cemented in. Yeah, let's take a look at these things. Crafted from the finest scraps. So funny, they used anything they could. Look at the gears still on the shaft, just used as a support now. And look, there's a nice hive in that corner. Drive up the steps here, or walk up it, I should say. Oh no, those are sketchy steps. Taking the sketchy steps. Yeah. Kind of minimal. This is where the fun begins. As you can see, these are real bendy. Yeah. They give you that feeling of bounciness you didn't really want. Sketchy. Couldn't imagine working out here. It's just so skin of their teeth. The whole place is just kind of welded together, except that the little chute thing here. So yeah, fittings and tin roof. There's something written on that plate there. Not sure what it says. Wow, look at these, made from old minecart wheels. Sort of chute dumping thing. Definitely a hard hat area. Wow. And some more certified sketchiness here. And there's the pulley at the top. Trees are taking it over now. All right. Sounds like someone's firing it up again. So, I originally walked out across this right here, and right there, inside that white pipe, right next to their nest, they get the dead big deal. So yeah, that's the trommel up there. There's like an old, looks like a ramp over there of some kind. So yeah, they take these stairs up, walk over there, and walk up the stairs, and get up to the top. And there's the trommel and the wasps.